Choosing the right yoga mat is crucial for a comfortable and effective practice. With so many options available in the market, it can be overwhelming to make the right choice. In this video, we will guide you on how to choose the best yoga mat for your needs. Firstly, consider the thickness of the mat. A thicker mat provides more cushioning and is better for those with joint issues or sensitive knees. However, a thinner mat offers better stability and is perfect for those who prefer a firmer surface. Next, consider the material of the mat. Most yoga mats are made from PVC, but eco-friendly options like natural rubber, cork, or organic cotton are becoming increasingly popular. Consider your personal preferences and environmental concerns when selecting the material of your yoga mat. The texture of the mat is also important. A sticky mat provides better grip and is suitable for styles like Ashtanga and Vinyasa yoga, where you move through flowing sequences. If you prefer static poses like Hatha or Yin yoga, a mat with a smoother texture may be more comfortable. Finally, consider the price of the mat. While there are high-end options available, there are also affordable mats that offer good quality and durability. Consider your budget and how often you plan to use the mat before making a purchase. In summary, when choosing a yoga mat, consider the thickness, material, texture, and price. By keeping these factors in mind, you can find a mat that fits your needs and enhances your yoga practice.